Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Celsius. In April 2021, Celsius reached at $9.25 and right now it is being traded at 60 cents. So it is almost 94% down, and in today's video we will analyze what move Celsius needs to make in order to recover this loss. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all let me to begin with this hourly time frame chart. And here you can see that Celsius was moving inside this symmetrical triangle since 14th of June, and recently few hours back it has broken out the resistance and rejected by this next resistance that we have at 72 cents, and now it is testing the previous resistance of the triangle as a support. And you can see that the 72 cents has been working as a very strong resistance. Like here you can see that it has been working as a support. Let me show you on the 4-hour time frame so it will be more easy for us to understand this resistance. You can see here back on 19th of May it worked as a support, and here on 22nd of May it worked as a support, and even in the month of June, at the starting of June, it was working as a support. And now again we are rejected by this resistance of 72 cents, and after 72 cents we will have the next resistance at 85 cents. That is also very strong resistance. You can see for the past several hours it has been working as a resistance here and here, and as a resistance here as well. And then we will have the next resistance here at $1, and I'm expecting that once it will be able to break out this $1 resistance, then it can start the long-term move, and this $1 resistance will be flipped into a support, a very powerful support for Celsius. Now if we take a look at the target for this triangle after this breakout that we can expect, that is, if I place this trend line here at the breakout point, that is at $1. You can see it even beyond $1. So if this retest will be successful, then Celsius can also break out the next resistance levels like 72 cents, 85 cents, and then it can reach the $1 to break it out. Now if we switch to the weekly time frame chart, then here we can see that Celsius first formed a down channel here, and it broke down this channel recently here on 9th of May when we had the drop, extreme drop of 9th of May. And now it has also tested the previous resistance as a support as well. And now if we switch to the daily time frame chart, then here Celsius is forming another down trend line resistance. And we also need to break out this resistance line as well in order to start the big rally. Now we need to first break out this resistance, then we will have this resistance of previous channel support that can now work as a resistance for the price, and a very strong resistance that is approximately at $1.30 to 40 cents. Then it will be re-entered the channel, and after breaking out this resistance of the channel, it can then start the bigger move, and the target for this down channel can be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $8.30. And this is the way for Celsius to recover all these losses, but we have so many resistance levels in order to reach $8 or $10. First we need to break out all these resistance levels, then we need to also break out this downtrend line resistance, this resistance, and this resistance as well. Then we can expect that it can reach back up to $8 to $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.